Adzviser. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to walk you through a new feature we've just added to our Google Sheets add-on, and it's one of those that a lot of marketers have been asking from us. So previously, you could only choose from a fixed data ranges like last 7 days, last 6 months, or last 12 weeks. But now we've made it more flexible. You can set your custom data range like last 5 days, last 13 weeks, or last 4 months, just by entering the number that you want for your reporting cycle, and that's it. This feature is especially helpful if you want to schedule regular refreshes. Instead of manually adjusting the data ranges each time, you can now set it up so that it always pulls the last X number of days, weeks, or months, and let it run on autopilot. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how it works and how to start using it on your own reports. So we've just opened our Google Sheets add-on, okay? And let's go to data range and let's select last X days. And for the purpose of this demo, let's just enter 2 for now. And for the metrics, let's select spend, impressions, and reach. Okay, and then get our data. All right, so today is June 13th. As you can see, we are pulling the reporting data from June 10th to June 12th. It is the last 2 days of data. And let's change the number up to last 6 days. Okay, again, we're getting the last 6 days worth of reporting data to our Google Sheets from Facebook ads. And you can actually schedule triggers for refreshes. You can set it up like, hey, you want to set it up daily, you want it to be refreshed weekly, monthly, according to the schedule. All right. And one more thing that I want to show you is that not only can you choose from last X days, weeks, months, if you close our add-on completely and then reopen it, the settings that you have previously made with our Google Sheets add-on will persist, and then it will be set back to the previous setting that I've added up. So I've just closed it, I reopened it. As you can see, this data range, last X days, has been reset to 6, which was the previous setting that we have made on our data range. Okay, so this will wrap up, and I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.